Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to change heading styles in Microsoft Word. In this document consists of 7 pages. In this document, I am using heading 1. You can see here heading 1 for main heading and heading 2 for subheading. This is a subheading and I am using heading 2 for subheading. If you have 1000 of pages and you want to change heading 1 color and size all the pages, you can do it with style. I am using heading 1 style for heading 1, and if I change this style, just right click and modify, and I choose the color different and font size 14 to 16 and press OK. You can see heading 1 color and font size has been changed in all the documents which consist of 7 pages. You can see here. And heading I am using heading 2 here, and I want to change heading 2 color and font size. Just right click and modify in style and select the different color and choose the size 14 and font I am using elephant and press OK. Now you can see the heading 2 color and font style and font size has been changed. This is a very simple tips for heading. If you are making heading, just choose the style. If you change it one style, and it will automatically change all the document, all the pages simultaneously. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.